Welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms, where we are all about home, family, and living this life that God has so graciously blessed us with. Our channel is full of content that I hope encourages you, inspires you, and most of all helps you on your journey. Be sure to hit like and subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you will get notified every time new content is uploaded. We hope to see you in each and every video. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Ooh, it has been one of those days. I was just in there making my granddaughter's school lunch for tomorrow. And I just want to give y'all a quick little hack, okay? I know these kids like Lunchables, but those little Lunchables, for just the little bitty bit that they get, y'all, they can add up and be expensive. By the time you buy 5 for the week, let me tell you what you do. Go get you a box of Ritz crackers. Go get you a chub of bologna or a pack of bologna, pepperoni, salami, turkey, ham. You getting the picture now? Go get a block of cheese. Go get some fruit. Go get some little treats. Make your own homemade Lunchables. Then you've got stuff left over for maybe 2 more weeks worth of school. All those things that you just went and bought will and then to last you for at least 2 to 3 weeks, you just bought 2 or 3 weeks worth of Lunchables for what you just spent on 5 days worth, okay, of the pre-packaged Lunchables. Throw in some applesauce, throw in some yogurts, throw in some fruit, an apple, make a nutritious snack. Homemade Lunchables can be inexpensive, affordable, nutritious, and easy, y'all, okay? I'm going to send you some pictures at the end and let you see a homemade Lunchable. Little Cece is not in school yet, but she didn't want to get left out, so I made her one too for lunch tomorrow. And then also, breakfast time in the morning can be simple. I throw in a shuffle, a honey bun, some fruit to make it nutritious, and what else did I throw in? Some goldfish. I'll show you their breakfasts for in the morning too, okay? If you've got like a little commute to school, hey, get a travel tray, put it across their lap. I make them some breakfast boxes. I got lunch boxes, but we turn them into breakfast boxes, and I'll pack them a little breakfastable. I just come up with a new word, a breakfastable. And I make it nutritious. They eat on the way to school. And they clean themselves up before we get to school. That way I know, hey, I've gave them a good breakfast. We've killed 2 birds with 1 stone. We're driving. They're eating their breakfast. There you go. I'll show you their breakfast at the end too, okay? Y'all, that's just quick hacks. Easy, affordable, nutritious. You can do all of it at one time, okay? Make it nutritious. Make it, travelable if you've got a little commute. I know some parents having to drive 30 minutes to school, okay? Whatever, okay? And you want something nutritious for breakfast, okay? Let them be eating while you're driving, okay? It's not hard. I do it with my granddaughters all the time, okay? When I take them to school sometimes, okay? It's easy, y'all. I'll tag some pictures at the end and let y'all see some homemade Lunchables and some Breakfastables. Okay? Throw in some water, some juice, whatever. Put their juices in their cup holders. There you go, y'all. Everybody's busy. Everybody's rush in the morning. Okay, you can't eat cereal and milk going down the road, but you can fix them a little breakfastable and put nutritious stuff in it. Things that's easy. They don't need spoons or forks for. It'll be easy to just finger food, and you can put some wipes in your truck. You've got breakfast ate, nutritious. You've sent them to school not hungry. You've cleaned them up, or they can clean themselves up. There you go. There's a quick morning hack and school lunch hack. You're welcome. See you later.